Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be recreating the most iconic Tibetan street food, Laphing. We'll first start off by making the garlic water. Pro tip, always smash your garlic so that it is much easier to peel off since the skin is already somewhat separated. I would recommend doing this step overnight to get the most flavoring out of the garlic, but in case you're short on time and have a blender handy, you can make an instant garlic water just by adding some water and blending it away with the garlic. In this recipe, I have used roughly around 7 cloves of garlic to make 1 liter worth of garlic water. Now to make the actual Laphing, we'll be using mung bean powder. This is the brand that I usually go with, and you can find it in your local Thai supermarket or local Asian grocery store. We'll start off by making a slurry for the mung bean powder. In this recipe, I have used 1 cup of mung bean powder and added a bit of cold water until it is completely submerged. We'll whisk it together until there's no lumps left. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil and then we'll add in the slurry. Once the slurry goes in, it will solidify instantly and you will have to keep stirring the mixture for a couple minutes and bring down the heat to a medium to medium low. After 5 minutes, we'll take our mixture off the heat and leave it to cool down for roughly 2 to 3 hours so that it solidifies and then we can cut through it easily. Our Laphing has formed nicely and now we'll be cutting it into a thicker julienne shape, which is what I usually prefer. Now the most important part of a Laphing is its seasoning, and through many trials and error I've come up with this recipe. So I usually go with a pinch of MSG, or you can substitute that with sugar and a fair bit of salt. To make the sauce, we'll be using 2 types of vinegar and 1 superior light soy sauce. I use a 4:1 ratio, 4 tablespoons of superior light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing vinegar and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'll list the brand of soy sauce and vinegar down below in the description if you're interested. We'll now add the marinated garlic water on our Laphing, and to finish it off, depending on your spice tolerance, I would recommend adding some chili oil. The chili oil that I have used here is very simple, with just some chili flakes mixed in with hot oil. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you guys tried this recipe. This is the closest I've gotten to recreating my childhood memory of eating Laphing in Dharamsala. Please leave a like, share and comment below if I'm missing out on any tips and tricks.